wanted to go into marketing because I thought I am a marketing person, I am creative, I speak a lot, that is what you need in sales. मस्ती वस्ती होती रहेगी. अब आते हैं, बहुत पैसा ले लिया है बैंक से. ठीक है, 40 लाख का लोन सैंक्शन करा लिया, 22 लाख फीस में चले गए हैं.
Who decides who comes on day -1, who comes on day 0?
If you ask for time, you can't give that chance to some other candidate. What if he gets selected, they close off the process and you end up with nothing, right? So it felt like a funeral because one room you'll hear shouting noises, oh, got it, got it, got it. The other room, probably the guy has not made it.
You got your placements in the right place. उसके बाद second year में सिर्फ party करी.
I fell on the floor and I started crying. Oh my god, what has happened? I've lost all my chance in life.
How much was your PP offer?
When I came to IIM, I was very clear that I wasn't the top percentile in SRCC, but this time I came with an agenda. I want to be the top percentile here. I was like, मस्ती वस्ती होती रहेगी. अब आते हैं, बहुत पैसा ले लिया है बैंक से. ठीक है, 40 लाख का लोन सैंक्शन करा लिया, 22 लाख फीस में चले गए हैं. तो अब मस्ती वस्ती होती रहेगी, पहले करनी है पढ़ाई. So I always wanted to go into marketing. Okay. Because I thought I am a marketing person, I am creative, I speak a lot, that is what you need in sales and all of that. That is what I was thinking in my head. My classmate hit me really hard on my back. I woke up in a jolt. I thought the professor has come. She said, Duffer, you got the BCG shortlist. Like, what? I'm like, what? Because it's the first flashback was SRCC. BCG didn't even look at me. They shortlisted 10 people and they went away. I was like, what? Next day, Bain shortlist came. They shortlisted me at Bain. And now, suddenly, again, you're famous in campus because there are just 30 people who have got shortlists. Then JP Morgan released his shortlist, Goldman Sachs released. I made it to all of them. Now this is just shortlist. The processes have not started, but I made it to all of them. Then Accenture shortlist was also one of the shortlists that I made it to, right? And I was doing all of that. I thought I'm doing everything right, but that I do think that that pressure got to me on the D-Day because my first interview was with BCG. I sat giving the interview. The first one went well, okay. I was shortlisted for the second round and I started panicking.
Yeah, but how does that work? How does that pan out? Is it like day 1, day 2, and suddenly you've got all these 10 shortlists and you're going there?
Yes, it's exactly like that. Like you are bombed with a lot of information, with a lot of notifications and shortlists and stuff. So usually for Bain BCG, the shortlists come beforehand, right? Because they want to
Right.
give you a 1 month time period to prepare and stuff. So for consulting companies, even for Accenture, it came 15 days prior. But otherwise, for all the other companies, it comes like 2 to 3 days prior, right?
Just help me understand. ये अभी ये day -2, day -1 इसमें क्या होता है? Is it the same type of companies by sector? How do they come? Who decides who comes on day -1, who comes on day 0, day 1?
It's your placement cell, and I think the kind of contract or conversations you have had with these companies to bring them on campus, because some companies are like, if I'm coming on a campus, I need to have the first hand at at the candidates. I won't come after this particular company. I won't take a leftover pool. So like the top finance companies like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, right? They would come on day -1, day -2. Then again, BCG, Bain, Accenture, all of these companies will come on day -2, day -1 because they're very clear that we should be the first ones on campus. When it comes to day 0, that is when you go like all in. There's suddenly 20 companies, 25 companies on a single day on campus. You have multiple shortlists. You are literally fighting for your life where you want to go sit for first. Right. I didn't have to go through that fortunately because I was already signed out before day 0 with Accenture. But like I saw my friends going through it. Like my friend, poor guy, he was like giving an interview, coming out of it. He didn't have the time to change his shirt. He was called and told, go for the next interview. This guy is barely over his last rejection. He's almost crying. And now they are telling him, go for your next interview. And the thing is, if you ask for time, it's your loss because you can't give that chance to some other candidate. What if he gets selected, they close off the process, and you're then again, you end up with nothing, right? So there's no time to think or process. So you have to prepare for yourself, like you have to study everything you have before, like beforehand. On those days, it's all about like just keeping your dedication on, your determination on, that I can make it. It's a hell of a mental toll because and I was in the boys' hostel, and it was like pin drop silence. Like it felt like a funeral because one room you'll hear shouting noises, oh, got it, got it, got it, but the other room probably the guy has not made it. So you can't even celebrate, and nobody would come out and say a word or openly congratulate the other person because there are 10 other people crying right now.
You got your placements in the right place. उसके बाद सेकंड ईयर में सिर्फ पार्टी करी या उसके बाद भी पढ़ाई करी?
No, see, but this is no. The first year placement is only for summers. She still has to prepare for a final
Not if
placement,
हाँ,
I
right?
मैं
got
वही पूछ रहा
PPO.
हूँ
And
कि फाइनल प्लेसमेंट्स हो गई
also
ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि
okay.
मेरी तो हो गई थी। एंड सी दैट्स द रीजन आई नेवर सैट फॉर फाइनल प्लेसमेंट्स, क्योंकि मैं
Okay.
तो समर में रगड़ के काम कर लिया था। उसके बाद उन्होंने ऑफर दे दिया था, मैंने बोला यार हाथ जोड़ो, कोई और प्लेसमेंट नहीं करनी, यही अच्छा
High five.
है।
Yeah, so same. So I got Summers May Accenture strategy. I was still a little sad because I thought I'll make to either BCG or Bain or something. And then Accenture was on my second priority at the moment. But then I didn't get to sit for Bain because, again, interview ruckus and all of that. And BCG, I couldn't make it because I got really nervous in my second round and things went downhill from there. But the next interview was Accenture, and I had cried so much after BCG. I'm so dramatic. I fell on the floor and I started crying. Oh my god, what has happened? I've lost all my chance in life. I called my father and I started like I was going ballistic. And my father is laughing because they're saying that was your first interview. That was your first interview, and you're crying as if you have no other interview left. You have 10 other shortlists, and you're crying on that one. I'm like, but I wanted that one. Why didn't I get that one? Everybody will laugh at me and this and that. And to be honest, after that, I realized nobody cares. Right. I was like, I am being paid 4 lakhs for 2 months. एंड पापा बोलते हैं ऐसे, तो मैंने बोला इसीलिए तो मैं आपको बोल रही थी एमबीए करनी चाहिए, आप तो मुझे कोचिंग के लिए पैसे नहीं दे रहे थे.
How much was your PPO offer?
So the PPO offer that I got was 39, and obviously it came like a huge joining bonus, like a huge
How
joining
much?
bonus. जब वो first salary credit हुई थी with your salary amount and that joining bonus, so they give you like 10 lakhs for joining bonus. And like the first salary was like, oh my god, this is happening, I am actually worth this much.